will the rising star of Deepseek eclipse the reigning champion, Nvidia, in the AI arena? In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, a new challenger has emerged, and its name is Deepseek. Today, we're diving deep into how this ambitious AI player, armed with its cutting-edge models, might just reshape Nvidia's formidable reign. Nvidia has long been the undisputed king of AI hardware, powering everything from data centers to self-driving cars with its revolutionary GPUs. Their technological dominance has been built on years of innovation and a vast ecosystem. But Deepseek is not just another competitor. They're building powerful, efficient AI models that could fundamentally alter how AI is developed and deployed. Deepseek's strength lies in its advanced AI models, reportedly offering impressive performance and efficiency. This directly challenges Nvidia's position. If Deepseek's models can achieve comparable or superior results with less computational power, it could reduce reliance on specialized, high-end hardware, potentially impacting Nvidia's hardware sales and market share. This isn't just about hardware versus software. It's about the evolving synergy. Nvidia's future lies not only in its chips, but also in its software ecosystem, and its ability to foster innovation. Deepseek's rise forces Nvidia to consider how to adapt, perhaps by enhancing its own model development capabilities or by exploring new avenues beyond pure hardware. The competitive landscape is intensifying, but this doesn't necessarily mean a zero-sum game. We might also see opportunities for collaboration. Could Nvidia partner with Deepseek to optimize its models on Nvidia hardware, creating a more powerful combined offering? Or could Deepseek leverage Nvidia's established infrastructure as it scales? The implications for the broader AI industry are immense. Deepseek's innovative models have the potential to democratize AI, making it more accessible and cost-effective. This could accelerate breakthroughs in various fields, from scientific research to everyday applications for Nvidia. It means a renewed push for innovation and a strategic reevaluation of its position in this dynamic and exciting AI future. The battle for AI dominance is far from over as Deepseek continues to make its mark. All eyes will be on how Nvidia responds, setting the stage for the next chapter in artificial intelligence. How do you think this unfolds? Let us know in the comments below.